How to add bank account to Venmo. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to add bank account to Venmo, you may follow up the steps. So open up the Venmo application on your screen, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So what you may do next is look out for this account tab in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. And this opens up. Now what you may do is look out for the gear icon, usually the top right corner, and open up the settings of Venmo. And once you open it up from the given options, you may look out for the option called payment methods and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you will be finding an option called add bank or card. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. And you'll be finding three options given. Look out for the option called bank since we are adding a bank. And then you can look out for instant verification or manual verification. Let's head over for instant for this one. And once you do so, you can continue read the terms first of all and continue the process. Now just tap and continue after you reading, after you agree, and you can select your bank which you would like to add, for example Chase or any other bank, and you can just go ahead and enter up your credentials of a banking account, your username and password of your bank, and tap on submit. And after you do so, you can head over and verify yourself through text, phone, or email. You'll be receiving a code. Tap on continue. Just go ahead and submit the code, and once it is submitted, you can just go ahead and continue and confirm that you would like to do so, and you'll be finding the success message on your screen. And then there you go, the bank account will be added to your Venmo. So therefore, if you'd like to add bank account to Venmo, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.